Today, I'm going to show you how to install Node.js on Windows 10 operating system. First, open our browser and search Node.js. Okay, click on this. This is where you can download Node.js officially. You can see that there are two versions. The first one is recommended for the most users and the second one is the latest. I prefer to download the latest. Okay, let's open it. Here is the setup window. Click Next. You can change where you prefer to locate the files. Just click Next. Here, it is asking to download necessary tools. And finally, click Install button to install. Click Finish. Let's type this command to check the version of installed Node.js. Alright, we can see that the version number is similar on what we just downloaded.